Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Delhi is the capital city of India and Delhi is mini India. So we have people coming from all across the country, and I'm so happy to learn that all of you Goans who have settled in Delhi have formed your own association of Goemkars. And as you said just now, in 2001 your organization started. It was inaugurated by Mr. Manohar Parikarji, and it was a demand of Konkani speaking people since then that a Konkani Academy should also be set up. And so in last few days we set up Konkani Academy also. And since the time we announced Konkani Academy, it has been received very well and everyone's very happy. I'm glad that all of you are very happy. Now it is your academy. Please don't treat this as a government's academy. It is your academy. It should not be another government building or a government premise. You have to make it lively. Idea is that the Konkani culture should be spread and propagated to everyone. And likewise, we should learn from others' cultures. Right now, the announcement has been made of setting up this academy. Now, very soon, the office bearers and all will be announced. And if you have anyone in mind, you think that these people should be there, please let us know that these people should also be there on the board of the academy. Mr. Stanley was saying that he is a musician. So, yeah, you can sing a song for us.